Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you what to do if the battery on your Lenovo 14e is draining way too fast. Available when your device is unplugged. Open the control center in the bottom right corner, select your battery status and switch on battery saver to help your battery last longer. You can also go to charging settings and enable adaptive charging or set a charging limit to 80%, though adaptive charging is better for most users as it prevents overcharging without limiting capacity. Battery saver is the first step. Next is adjusting brightness, as the display uses a lot of power. Disconnect any USB or external devices you don't need. Turn off Bluetooth if not in use, as it also drains power in the background. Background applications and extensions can also drain battery quickly. To disable them, press Search and Escape together to open the Task Manager, sort by memory or CPU usage, and end tasks you don't need, but avoid touching system tasks. You can also go to Chrome, click the three dots, find extensions, manage extensions, and turn off any you don't really need as they consume resources and battery. Check storage and settings under System Preferences, as low storage can reduce performance, so keep at least 10 to 20% free. You can clear storage quickly by removing unnecessary apps and files. Also go to About Chrome OS and run diagnostics. In diagnostics, check battery health, and if it's below 70%, the only solution is replacing the battery. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.